December 12 sa panayam kay Aga Mulak, ay pinag-usapan ang nababalitang paglalaylaw muna nito sa showbiz. Natanong si Aga kung ano ang plano niya pagtapos ng kanyang last taping sa Masked Singer Pilipinas. Should I say this? Yes. Next year, it's either I do it or forget about it. If I'm not at my fittest next year, then I should be done. Saad ni Aga. Nagulat naman ang host na si Lucy Cruz Valdez dahil sa sinabi na ito ni Aga. Again, I cannot shortchange my viewers, my audience. If I wanna do nice films, believable character, I have to look like an actor, which is like to be fit. I think that's the responsibility of an actor. You should look physically presentable and believable, sabi ng aktor. Parang it's about time. If I'm gonna be not at my fittest next year, siguro wag muna akong magpapakita. Dagdag pa ni Aga nang makapanayam siya sa usapang real life.
Share for